closed ride makers, would anybody notice?
Close what?
Ride makers.
What is that?
I guess that's my answer. Let's go find out what happens when you go inside ride makers and build your ride. I just wonder, like, I guess the place is popular. It does.
There's always people in there.
There are always people in there. It's just that would anybody care if it was gone? Like, I would imagine there's a decent backlash for losing Build-A-Bear. People love Build-A-Bear.
Build-A-Bear would be more of a backlash for sure.
Yeah, but I don't think anybody's gonna miss ride makers. This is what I don't get. Like, why would you build that?
Because you gotta have the sick dragon rims, bro.
I would build something that's not like a little more custom. Ooh, look, tomato with some white.
Yeah, with some 20 inch on the white walls.
Yeah. Oh, how about this Captain America ride right here? That's pretty badass.
Look at the Galaxy paint job. Come on. That's the Lady Romy car.
It is. It looks just like Lady Romy's logo. Where's the little circle?
That's right. Where's my little circle?
All right, so let's see. So I guess this is how it works. You choose. Hey, Sarah, we gotta choose with a Z. Okay, so make sure you guys are. We're gonna find a body, but you gotta choose with a Z. And then we gotta build it. And are we gonna do like? Do we do that too? Yeah, just gonna make the noise, and then you customize. Oh, that's got an actual Z in it. And then you can customize. So
it's not a fake Z.
Not a fake Z. Not a
freaky Z.
Or freaky Z.
Freaky Z.
Where's the rides?
Yeah, so I guess these are they right here, right? I feel like there's less in here than there used to be.
Yes, I feel like
there was a whole bunch of stuff over there before. They have. Where's the? Okay, aren't there any like plain bodies?
Any what?
Like regular. Where's just the?
No, you gotta get the military SWAT.
Those are kind of plain.
Well, what do we want? Yeah, we're gonna build a car for real. So what kind of body? Do we want a Disney body or do we want a plain body?
Well, the Batmobile.
By the way, no pink bodies because I'm keeping this. I don't think I want a Galaxy on it.
No Corvette?
Maybe we. Oh man, this is impossible. So we've opted for this guy right here, the RZX. We don't want to get anything that's too Disney, I guess, right? I mean, we could go the RZ Vortex, but that's almost too busy. So we're just gonna go for the basic black body.
I think we should just go for like the OG classic.
So we've chosen.
I choose you.
You gotta put the Z in there, Sarah.
Oh.
Put the Z in there. Very good, thank you. Okay, what's next? Build.
Well, yeah, we need number 2. Where do you see number 2?
Pick number 2, my lord. Should we get any skulls or flames with Z's on it?
You guys ready for tires?
Oh gosh, yes, we are ready for tires.
Okay, we are so ready for tires. Here's your basket.
Oh.
Stock tires that come with, they're gonna be those black ones. These ones are additional $4 a pair. We are missing the fronts for the blue, the orange, and the red. We only have the backs for them. Got it.
So basically, if you want 4 matching tires, it's either the stocks or the white walls.
Correct.
How do white walls look on that ride?
I think you gotta go with the all black.
I was gonna say, I think so. The white walls are
all black.
All right, stock it is.
One from the front and one from the back. Perfect. Yep. And then your rims.
Yeah, what about rims?
You're gonna need 2 packs of any of the large rims. These are the stock ones that come with your car.
You know, I'm gonna defer to Ian. Christine.
Christine? Again, I think we gotta go with the stock black.
You wanna go black again?
Black, murdered out, bro.
You said we need 2? Yes.
You gotta go in the black on
and then
black.
Ren will help you out at the
That's what's in style right now.
Okay, I'm good to go.
Hi.
Oh, is this where we build?
This is the build section.
We are doing good.
Oh, is it gonna make the? Okay, awesome.
So did you guys want to make this a push or RC today?
No RC, no.
No RC.
No.
We're just pushing.
So this is pretty much the easy step done, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and just fit all this into here.
So it's got the same. They all have the same like. What do we call it? Engine or chest? Yeah. Okay.
It depends on the size or
oh, okay.
of it, but essentially all the same. So
so that's that.
Yay.
Next stop. Oh, this is where they do the root part over here, right?
I love your nails. So
so welcome.
Alright, so before we get started building your car, I'm going to have you set up your station. You're going to pull apart your tires, line them up right over here on the side.
Line them up.
Along with your rims up here, I'll try and help you out with your rims. How was the void?
It was so much fun. Oh my god.
Alright, so Sarah, my name's Emily. I'm going to show you how to build step by step. We're going to start off with drilling it down. You're going to keep one hand on your car just like this, your other hand on the drill. You're going to bring it down to the drill bit, wiggle on it. Oh, I love your nails too.
Thank you.
Wiggle it on and push on that black button. Perfect.
Oh.
Yeah, 3 more to go. You're going to wiggle it on all the way.
Silver's making a car. Ah!
Close.
You're gonna strip
There
it.
we go.
There you go. Go ahead and bring it to the front.
Go for it. There you go.
Alright, next thing you're going to go ahead and pop on your rims. You're going to line up your rims to your tires, push them through all the way. It snaps in just like Legos.
Are you guys really playing Ice Cube in here right now?
We are.
This is
It's
fantastic.
instrumental though.
Instrumental Ice Cube. What's the point?
These are going to be your back tires, your front. This is the back of your car, and this is the front.
Beautiful.
Your nails are like a pregame to your ring. That's
Right?
so beautiful.
You know, girl. you know how to think.
Yeah.
That's right.
Is that?
Alright, you
I think that's Ric Flair in the background there too, isn't it?
You're a modern day mechanic.
We got 59
59 seconds.
Job. We are going to make sure
Pit
your
stop.
car works. So let's go ahead and turn that on. You got to listen closely. Go to push down on your hood. Listen for your engine.
I hear it a little bit.
It's got a little purr to it. But before you go, Sarah, we are going to give you a little celebration for building with us.
Woo!
You're going to hold on to your car nice and proud. Look at the camera right over here. All right. Attention ride leaders. Let's give it up for Sarah. She just finished building her ride.
Way to go, Sarah!
All right, guys, you're all set. Go to park your car inside your basket there. Again,
Puts
you
the
can
car in the
just
basket.
wherever you want, you're all set. Yay!
So now can we get like stickers and stuff? Is that what's next? Or we can.
Like to get like some muffler tips.
Dude, what about some header
Look, you
pipes?
can get like a fire truck light bar to put on the roof.
Okay, but that's not murder.
Yeah,
I thought we were getting
see,
murdered.
this is murdered out.
What about a Hemi? Can I get a Hemi?
Oh yeah, get a supercharged Hemi. Vicious.
What goes good with an all black on black sports car like this? I don't know.
Some street look. Look, they have light up lights.
Can we get some?
on the side?
Can we get some ground effects? Down crush spoiler.
This is ridiculous, but I love it.
I don't know. Let's get at least one thing.
You don't want a police light bar?
No, I don't think I want that.
What about the fire truck light bar?
No, I don't think I want that either.
Or how about like a sick grill?
I don't think I want
Just
to.
do the light up
bump cars?
side.
The side lights?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do that.
Blue?
Blue,
the
yeah.
only color they have?
Sure.
Red, just blue. Red?
I
Blue,
think
red.
blue's good.
I think blue looks better.
Yeah. All right. Anything else? I think that's all. I think they're slowly like getting rid of stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because they know that time is short.
All this was full of merchandise last time we were here.
Well, they had other cars too that were here.
There was other cars, yeah.
Whole car exhibit.
They got like 5 cars now. So we got here right on time to not get anything good. I guess that's it, you guys. So it's 10:30 on a Saturday morning. We're finally making our way into the park. For those of you who are asking or believe that it's not busy the week following New Year's, well,
It's not until at least until holiday time until things even start to slightly lighten.
yeah, no, this is still plenty busy.
Like next week might be.
Maybe, yeah. But it's gonna rain next week.
Well, especially with rain, how much stuff is closed, and starting Monday, no
Yep.
parade or fireworks for the next
No
like, 3
parade, or
months.
do you think it'll matter?
In the afternoon and evening, it will, because people won't be coming in just for shows.
That's
or
true. That's
crowding-
true.
or crowding on Main
Those
Street.
pass holes won't be showing up to watch the
But also
fireworks.
people won't be crowding on Main Street
Yeah.
or on the hub, right?
Yeah.
The only nighttime shows or parades will be World of Color and GCA and Fantasmic and Disney.
Yeah.
The monorail is.
So we're gonna wait our required 20 minutes probably to get through this line to get into Disneyland proper. Yeah, I mean, okay, there's 1, 2, 3, There's like 8 or 9 people already. It's 10:30. Wow. I don't like getting at the park at 10:30. I officially decided that I don't like. I like getting here at 8 a.m. It's much less anxiety prone. Okay, so Fresh Bake. We're heading into the park today. There's a lot going on. A lot of updates happening in the park. A lot of things that we want to kind of knock out before it's too late. I.e., in 2 days, a whole bunch of stuff is going to close. A whole bunch of stuff is going to close, and we got to get in there. Oops, Dylan. We got to get in there before it happens. There goes a train. Goodbye, train. Namely, the Main Street. Hey, the Main Street vehicles go down when?
Monday.
Okay, so they're part of the Monday group.
Yeah.
All right.
Mr. Matthew Gotcho had a full list of closures yesterday on Twitter. I'll pull it up.
Okay. So our first requirement here is to take a Main Street vehicle. What is this? I feel like I'm on a scavenger hunt. Oh, I hear the Dapper Dans. Are they on a? Yeah, they're on that streetcar right there. We need a. Can we get an autograph?
Can I bother you? You already are bothered.
Okay, can we bother you some more?
But I need your autograph, Cruella. Yes, I have to show my puppy at home and most evil person around. I have to show him why he has to behave. Oh, you're the best, Cruella. Thank you.
I'm pretty sure Cruella doesn't like us.
She doesn't love me.
No, not at all.
Oh.
She doesn't give you the time of day ever. So we're going to take a ride with Chief. Our last chance to ride with Chief for a while. We don't know how long Main Street will be down. But that's happening.
His girlfriend now.
Okay, don't look at the tree. Don't look at the tree.
What tree?
Make sure you go to Pirates for me.
I totally will go to Pirates for you.
What's that?
Jack wants us to go to Pirates, so we have to go to Pirates.
Okay. We do?
Yep, that's what he said.
We're not even going to be in New Orleans Square.
Well, Jack said so.
This is crowded, you guys.
Yeah, this is kind of terrifying. A little bit.
Posted on Christmas Day in Orlando, and it said place. Oh my God! The day was unsafely full.
I believe that. Yep.
It's fun doing it. That wasn't me getting busted that time either.
We have got a very crowded park today, my friend.
My goodness.
David, can you see how far down the crowds go?
I can't see much.
All I see is crowd.
That little girl's got a pimp for COVID. Like, even our trolley is packed. Also, if you guys have
I thought she was going to throw him in the trash can. She dropped it for me. I legit thought she was going to in the trash.
The bell means get out of the way.
Is that what that means?
Yes.
It doesn't mean get in the way?
The bell means take a selfie with the horse.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, got it. I knew that's what it meant. Oh, look at Dave.
Wow. It's more crowded than it was last week.
Hey, you should tell Fresh Bake viewers right now that our Twitter ambassador is finally leaving SoCal.
That's true. Damien has been here for a long time, our Twitter ambassador.
160 days.
Macadamian, he went home yesterday. Yesterday?
Today.
Yesterday was his last working day.
Yesterday was his last day in the park. I feel bad for Damien. I do.
Dude, going to Disneyland every day and then having that taken from you is
Yeah. That's pretty rough.
And not only is he getting the Disney from him, it's like leaving Disneyland. Going
Yeah.
And then also they should go follow us on Twitter.
Yeah.
That's Fresh Bake.
And you should also go wish him a happy birthday because it was his birthday the other day.
It was on Monday. Monday, right?
Yep, Monday.
Okay, we came came back down to Main Street. We're going to do our best to show you what's happening here. These tracks right now, we talked about this a couple weeks ago. There was a rumor going around that they were going to close down or they're going to redo these tracks. Huh?
Can you go get my sweater back?
Oh, look, there's your sweater, yeah. And so Disney confirmed it, what was it, Wednesday?
I think it was just yesterday.
Oh, yeah, that's right, yesterday. It confirmed that these tracks are going to be taken out and they're going to replace all these tracks. Now, that means all the Main Street traffic is going to be closed for about 2 months, and they're going to have walls up that's going to basically bisect all of Main Street.
As they repave this.
As they, yeah. And now, what do they say about there's going to be some bricks, like right here in the middle, or what are they going to?
I mean, cobblestone or something. They're going to repave this and replace all the track.
Well, what about the brick thing? I heard like actual like
there was something about Brick Bay. That's what they meant. Like this stuff will be brick.
Yeah, maybe like right around the track. Now, the rumor that we heard was not only are they going to do this, but that they were going to install a switch.
Which I don't think is just unnecessary. Like
that's just a rumor. I'm not saying. Who knows if it's necessary or not?
An added complication to a system that's already working.
It doesn't have to be necessary.
Well, I mean, you change something because it's not working, or it could be better. That doesn't necessarily make things better.
Okay. Rumor I'm hearing, whether or not it's necessary is up for debate, is that they're going to put a switch, and my guess is it's going to be right here at the end of Main Street where they're going to be able to go left or right. They can have a switch to make it go left or right, which it's kind of...
I guess my question is, why would they want to change
I don't know.
Because then they just hit each other over there.
Why build Disneyland if we're going to take that?
That's completely different thing. You're just detracting from what I'm trying to say.
I'm just saying there might be a reason for them that we don't even know what it is.
There should be a functionality. If it's going one way...
No, there doesn't have to be a reason. Let's go this way.
That's a great way of just throwing away any argument anyone ever makes. I don't need a reason.
For fun, because it'll be fun. That's a good reason. Because it's neat. Just because.
That's even worse.
Anyways, closing the reopen date.
Yes.
Courtesy of Mr. Matthew Gotchell on Twitter.
2 months, right?
Yeah, closing on January 8th, reopen March 14th.
Hey, Tim Tracker's back.
Opens March 14th.
Got it. He must have found his mustache.
I got picked up Tim's mustache.
He picked it up, put it right on. All right, so there's...
We're talking about Tim Tracker recently shaved his mustache.
Tim Tracker...
He has a baby face.
You know what, Tim Tracker,
He's got a beautiful baby face.
I wish I would have loved to have said, hey, Tim, keep the mustache, bro.
Yeah.
I love the mustache on you.
He wants to grow a beard.
He wants to grow a beard?
You can grow a beard while you still have a mustache?
Yeah.
To be like a fresh
beard?
Yeah.
Fresh beard.
Fresh beard. All right, so there's that.
We have some other dates.
Well, okay, let's save that. We're going to go into Fantasyland because we're going to confirm, Disney confirmed another rumor that we heard about Dumbo. We've got lots more videos for you to see, so grab a churro and check out some of our other videos and have your mind blown by how much fun we're having. We truly are the best of Disney Bake Fresh Daily. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. Fresh Baked!